Okay, so guys, look at this. Check this out. You see this design here? If I told you that I used the normal straight line butterfly machine to do this design, would you believe it? You wouldn't, right? Okay. When I say normal straight line butterfly machine, this is the machine I mean. This very one, this machine. I know you have it, right? Okay. You didn't know you could use it for this design, all right? Okay, so then stay glued to my channel. Just subscribe to me. There's so much to learn over here. You would never miss it. You understand? Make sure when you subscribe, you click on the bell so that anytime I release a video of any tutorial of a sort, you will just get it at your notification bar. All right. So this is my new shirt for a customer. I'm sure he'll be happy to wear this. So I said I always take my time to do my designs, and it's just always perfect. I just need a bit of ironing, and then I'm good to go. All right, so I'll be teaching you this. I don't know when, but I know as I continue to do my videos, I'll be teaching you some of these. All right, see you. Bye bye.